Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Appium for cross-platform mobile automation step by step clearly. To activate Appium for cross-platform mobile automation, start by ensuring you have the necessary tools installed on your machine. Begin by downloading and installing Node.js from the official website. Once Node.js is installed, open your command prompt or terminal. Type npm install Appium to install Appium globally. Wait for the installation process to complete. Next, verify the installation by typing Appium v into the command prompt. This will display the version of Appium installed, confirming that it is set up correctly. Now, ensure you have Java Development Kit (JDK) installed on your system. If not, download and install the JDK from the Oracle website. After installation, set the Java_home environment variable. To do this, go to System Properties, then Environment Variables, and create a new variable named Java_home with the JDK path as its value. Next, download and install Android Studio, which includes essential Android SDK tools. Within Android Studio, open the SDK Manager and install the relevant SDK platforms and tools for your target devices. Once installed, ensure the Android SDK path is added to your environment variables. Create a new environment variable named Android_home and set its value to the path of your Android SDK. Open a command prompt and navigate to your project directory. Install the Appium client libraries specific to the programming language you intend to use. Most commonly, this involves using Maven for Java, npm for JavaScript, or pip for Python. Initialize a new project in your chosen programming language. Write the necessary automation tests using Appium's API and desired capabilities for cross-platform testing. Finally, launch Appium server from your command line by typing Appium. With the server running, execute your test scripts to start automating your cross-platform mobile applications. Monitor the console for any messages or errors during the testing process. Adjust your scripts as necessary based on the output from the Appium server. Now you are ready to perform cross-platform mobile automation using Appium. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.